Welcome to our Sandeep Jadhav channel. Today we are going to learn 100 thoughts in English. Let's start. Knowledge is power. Haste makes waste. No pain, no gain. Work is worship. Health is wealth. Character is a destiny. Honesty is the best policy. Wisdom like silence. Time is money. Kindness costs nothing. Exuberance is a beauty. Hope is walking dream. Nothing is impossible. Practice makes man perfect. Sound mind in sound body. Every day is a fresh start. A fool man cannot be still. Charity begins at home. Life is a journey, not a race. Confidence is a key to success. Rightly think before you speak. Always be positive. A good deed is never lost. No man is perfect. Simple living but high thinking. Experience is the best teacher. Focus on progress, not perfection. Never give up on your aim. The beginning is never easy. Self-confidence is a superpower. Hard work brings success. Good luck never come late. Respect everyone. Gratitude leads to happiness. Every day is a new chance. Dream big, work hard. Think before you speak. Every expert was once beginner. Learn something new every day. Patience is key to success. Hard work always pays off. Good manners open door. Truthfulness builds trust. Learn from your mistakes. Stay positive even in tough time. Be the lights in someone's day. Every step is a victory. Never stop learning. Mistakes are proof you are trying. Curiosity drives innovation. Embrace the learning process. Be stronger than your excuses. Believe in your dreams. Listen more than you speak. Sharing is caring. Helping hands make light work. Your hard work will pay off. Good friends make life brighter. A positive mind finds a way. A kind word is never waste. Nature is our best friend. Be brave and face the world. Don't waste your time. Mistakes help us learn. First things always first. Believe in yourself. Effort never goes waste. Always stay calm and composed. The great artist is a simplifier. Unity is strength. Education shapes destiny. Be patient with yourself. Delay injustice is injustice. Always speak the truth. Fortune favors the brave. Progress is the law of success. Hard work brings success. Never stop asking questions. Prayer is the voice of faith. Show gratitude every day. Hope is the essence of life. Be honest in words and actions. Every effort is progress. A kind word is never wasted. Well beginning is the half done. Have faith in yourself. Choose kindness over anger. Make today is your best day. A winner never stops trying. Laughter is the best medicine. Think good, do good, be good. Failure is the first step of success. Listen to your parents and teachers. Positive attitude creates positive peoples. Success is the journey, not a destination. Where there is a will, there is a way. Good handwriting is a mirror of good learning. A friend is a need, is a friend indeed. Every man is the creature of his own fortune. A disciplined mind achieves greatness.